Okay.
So yes, my dad, I got the mechanical side. I have an engineering degree through that path. But my mother, I grew up in a household full of art. My mom was an art professor. So I was inspired by art, and obviously that's the creative side of me, and I have the mechanical side through my father. So we're doing these specifically for Cnext. We thought it would be a great giveaway for the designer to take home with them. So they're seeing some of our capabilities, our different materials, our finishes, some of our designs. Jewelry is not our thing. Obviously you saw the size of our equipment. To do these so small, so intricate, you know, very detailed, very hard to do on these bigger sheet machines. So we're doing it, you know, kind of almost like a one-off.
So what are you using on these? Are all these brass?
These are just brass, all hand rubbed, the satin finish. There's a multi-step bending process. So I got it through stage 1.
Okay.
Then I have to go back. So this is how it starts, and then it gets to this level, and then I go back and I have to do a final run.
A final run.
Yeah, and the end result is this tight. As you can see, this is a little more open. Well, we're hoping that Cnext brings a lot of new relationships and new networking, and we're going to work with new designers and, you know, hopefully work on some other licensing deals. To talk about my creative side, we're also looking to do more products ready to buy that I've designed or that I've collaborated with the designer.
Stephen, thank you so much for spending the day with me. I'm not kidding. I know what it took to do this, because taking time out of your schedule.
Anything for you.
It's just been, this makes me so happy now, because even for me, and I thought I had an idea and I had no idea. So
well, most people don't. When they come in to see our showroom, see our full art, their eyes open, their ideas start flowing.
Thank you very much. I hope you appreciate it, enjoy this, but I loved it.
My pleasure.
See you next, here we come.